PV gave an ASMR-style unboxing review for the Pixel 8, revealing that the box maintains its familiar white design with the Google logo, Pixel 8 branding, and an image of the phone. Opening the box, the phone, with its larger camera array and rounded corners, seems bigger despite having similar dimensions to the Pixel 7. The Pixel 8 retains the classic Pixel look but with rounded corners. Inside the box, there's the usual USB-A to USB-C adapter, USB-C to USB-C cable, and a small booklet possibly containing regulatory info. The phone, briefly shown in dark mode during setup, confirms slim bezels all around. The review also mentions that the Pixel 8 uses an optical under-display fingerprint sensor, not ultrasonic. Google is set to unveil the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro on October 4. Any thoughts on these details?